What is the maximum resistance that can be achieved using 4 resistors each of resistance 1/2 ohms? Option 1, 2 ohms, Option 2, 1 ohms, Option 3, 2.5 ohms, Option 4, 8 ohms. The answer is, Option 1, 2 ohms. What type of combination of resistances is employed in household circuits? Option 1, series, Option 2, parallel, Option 3, both series and parallel, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, parallel. What is the correct form of Ohm's law? Option 1, volt equals I divided by R, Option 2, I equals volt divided by R, Option 3, R equals I divided by volt, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, I equals volt divided by R. What is the effective resistance when 2 identical resistors of resistance R are connected in parallel? Option 1, 2R, Option 2, R divided by 2, Option 3, R, Option 4, 4R. The answer is, Option 2, R divided by 2. What is the working principle of an electrical fuse? Option 1, heating effect of electric current, Option 2, chemical effect of electric current, Option 3, magnetic effect of electric current, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 1, heating effect of electric current. What is the correct relation connecting current and charge in a conductor? Option 1, Q equals it, Option 2, Q equals I divided by T, Option 3, Q equals T divided by I, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 1, Q equals it. What is the SI unit of charge? Option 1, ampere, Option 2, coulomb, Option 3, volt, Option 4, ohm. The answer is, Option 2, coulomb. What happens to the resistance of a wire if it is cut into 2 equal halves? Option 1, remains R, Option 2, becomes R divided by 2, Option 3, becomes 2R, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, becomes R divided by 2. What happens to the resistance of a conductor when its temperature increases? Option 1, increases, Option 2, decreases, Option 3, no change, Option 4, initially increases then decreases. The answer is, Option 1, increases. How do the resistances of alloys compare to pure metals? Option 1, lower, Option 2, higher, Option 3, same, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, higher. What is the working principle of a fuse wire? Option 1, Archimedes' principle, Option 2, Joule's law of heating, Option 3, Newton's laws of motion, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, Joule's law of heating. Why should fuse wire have a low melting point? Option 1, low, Option 2, high, Option 3, any value, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 1, low. What remains the same through each resistor when resistors are combined in series? Option 1, resistance, Option 2, potential difference, Option 3, current, Option 4, heat generated. The answer is, Option 3, current. What is the equivalent resistance when 3 resistors of 3 ohms each are connected in series? Option 1, 3 ohms, Option 2, 9 ohms, Option 3, 1 ohm, Option 4, none of these. The answer is, Option 2, 9 ohms. What is the equivalent resistance when 3 identical resistances of 6 ohms each are connected in parallel? Option 1, 6 ohms, Option 2, 2 ohms, Option 3, 18 ohms, option 4, none of these. The answer is, option 2, 2 ohms. What type of combination is always used in household circuits? Option 1, series, option 2, parallel, option 3, both, option 4, none of these. The answer is, option 2, parallel. What remains the same for all resistors in a parallel combination of resistances? Option 1, current, option 2, resistance, option 3, potential difference, option 4, heat. The answer is, option 3, potential difference. What does the slope of a volt-I graph represent? Option 1, current, option 2, resistance, option 3, potential difference, option 4, heat. The answer is, option 2, resistance. How is an ammeter connected in a circuit? Option 1, parallel, option 2, series, option 3, both, option 4, none of these. The answer is, option 2, series. How is a voltmeter connected in a circuit? Option 1, parallel, option 2, series, option 3, both, option 4, none of these. The answer is, option 1, parallel. In which wire are switches commonly kept in electrical appliances? Option 1, live wire, option 2, earth wire, option 3, neutral wire, option 4, any one of above. The answer is, option 1, live wire. What is the component that reverses current in a DC motor? Option 1, carbon brushes, option 2, a battery, option 3, magnets, option 4, commutator. The answer is, option 4, commutator. Which statement is not correct for a 3-pin mains plug fitted to a cable for a 2 kW electric heater to be used with a 250V AC supply? Option 1, a fuse of 20 ampere is most appropriate value to use, option 2, the neutral wire is colored black, option 3, a fuse of 15 ampere should be fitted in live wire, option 4, the green wire should be connected to earth pin. The answer is, option 2, the neutral wire is colored black. In what type of connection are appliances usually connected? Option 1, parallel, option 2, series, option 3, both A or B. Option 4, neither A nor B. The answer is, option 1, parallel. What will happen to the north pole of a small magnetic needle placed in the east-west direction under a strong current flowing in a north-south conductor? Option 1, west-east, option 2, southwest, option 3, northwest, option 4, northeast. The answer is, option 1, west-east. To which wire is the main fuse connected? Option 1, earth wire, option 2, live wire, option 3, neutral wire, option 4, any of these. The answer is, option 2, live wire. What is the instrument that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Option 1, motor, option 2, generator, option 3, iron, option 4, oven. The answer is, option 1, motor. What is the instrument that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? Option 1, motor, option 2, generator, option 3, iron, option 4, oven. The answer is, option 2, generator. What is the color of the wire in which switches need to be connected? Option 1, red, brown, option 2, blue, option 3, black, option 4, green. The answer is, option 1, red, brown. In what shape will the magnetic field around a current-carrying straight wire be? Option 1, circular and endless, Option 2, oval and endless, Option 3, straight line, Option 4, all the above. The answer is, Option 1, circular and endless. Which instrument does not work on Joule's heating effect in a domestic circuit? Option 1, iron, Option 2, oven, Option 3, fuse, Option 4, heater. The answer is, Option 3, fuse. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable item? Option 1, banana peel, Option 2, tin can, Option 3, cotton, Option 4, leather. The answer is, Option 2, tin can. Which component of sunlight is responsible for the formation of ozone in the stratosphere? Option 1, infrared rays, Option 2, UV rays, Option 3, visible light, Option 4, red light. The answer is, Option 2, UV rays. What is the most environmentally friendly method to dispose of garbage? Option 1, incineration, Option 2, landfilling, Option 3, recycling, Option 4, composting. The answer is, Option 4, composting. What is an alternative name for primary consumers? Option 1, carnivore, Option 2, herbivore, Option 3, saprophyte, Option 4, omnivore. The answer is, Option 2, herbivore. Which of the following statements is true regarding the flow of energy in an ecosystem? Option 1, energy remains steady, Option 2, energy increases from lower to higher trophic levels, Option 3, energy is converted from one form to another, Option 4, no energy reaches higher trophic levels. The answer is, Option 3, energy is converted from one form to another. Who primarily carries out decomposition? Option 1, worms, Option 2, bacteria, Option 3, virus, Option 4, flies. The answer is, Option 2, bacteria. What is the mode of nutrition of fungi? Option 1, eutotrophic, Option 2, parasitic, Option 3, saprophytic, Option 4, heterotrophic. The answer is, Option 3, saprophytic. If 100 joule of energy is available at the producer level in a food chain, what is the energy available to the secondary consumer? Option 1, 10 joule, Option 2, 0.1 joule, Option 3, 1 joule, Option 4, 0.01 joule. The answer is, Option 3, 1 joule. What is the ozone hole? Option 1, a region where there is no ozone in the atmosphere, Option 2, a hole in the Earth's surface caused by UV radiation, Option 3, a region of the Earth's stratosphere where the concentration of ozone is significantly reduced, Option 4, an area where oxygen levels are depleted. The answer is, Option 3, a region of the Earth's stratosphere where the concentration of ozone is significantly reduced. Which of the following substances will not convert to compost when added in a composting pit? Option 1, waste paper, Option 2, fruit and vegetable peels, Option 3, human and animal excreta, Option 4, plastic bags. The answer is, Option 4, plastic bags. Which gas is released by CFCs when they come into contact with UV rays? Option 1, hydrogen, Option 2, nitrogen, Option 3, ozone, Option 4, chlorine. The answer is, Option 4, chlorine. Which of the following statements about producers is correct? Option 1, they do not take up carbon dioxide, Option 2, they do not release oxygen, Option 3, they absorb energy from the sun, Option 4, they depend on other organisms for food. The answer is, option 3, they absorb energy from the sun. Every food chain in the ecosystem begins with which group that is the original source of food? Option 1, saprophytes, option 2, parasites, option 3, producers, option 4, consumers. The answer is, option 3, producers. Why should we reduce the use of plastic bags, bottles, etc.? Option 1, they are not durable, option 2, they are non-biodegradable, option 3, they are made of toxic materials, option 4, they react with atmospheric gases. The answer is, option 2, they are non-biodegradable. In which part of the alimentary canal is food finally digested? Option 1, stomach, option 2, mouth cavity, option 3, large intestine, option 4, small intestine. The answer is, option 4, small intestine. Which statement is incorrect regarding plants? Option 1, they convert solar energy into mechanical energy, option 2, they prepare their food from organic compounds, option 3, they are also called producers, option 4, they are the initial source of energy in a food chain. The answer is, option 1, they convert solar energy into mechanical energy. In a food chain, who occupies the second trophic level? Option 1, carnivores, option 2, autotrophs, option 3, herbivores, option 4, producers. The answer is, option 3, herbivores. Green plants utilize what percent of the sun's energy to prepare their food through photosynthesis? Option 1, 1%, option 2, 10%, option 3, 20%, option 4, 99%. The answer is, option 1, 1%. What is the process of accumulating harmful chemical substances like pesticides in the body of living organisms at each trophic level of a food chain called? Option 1, biological magnification, option 2, biological accumulation, option 3, chemical magnification, option 4, chemical accumulation. The answer is, option 1, biological magnification. What does the term biotic refer to? Option 1, non-living components of an environment, option 2, living organisms and their interactions in an ecosystem, option 3, chemical factors affecting the environment, option 4, physical features of the Earth's surface. The answer is, option 2, living organisms and their interactions in an ecosystem. What is the correct full form of DDT? Option 1, dichlorodiphenyltrichloroethane, option 2, dichlorodiphenyltetrachloroethane, option 3, dichlorodecaphhenyltrichloroethane, option 4, dichlorodiethyltrichloroethane. The answer is, option 1, dichlorodiphenyltrichloroethane. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the complete MCQ question bank video available on my channel. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.